What makes a good job?
It doesn't take much.
We just want decent pay.
Mae gen I blant I bwydo wedi'r cyfan.
We just want to be seen and respected for who we are.
Is that too much to ask?
I ni moyn i'n cyflogwyr buddsoddi yn ein gyrfa.
I made enough tea for one lifetime.
I like to be able to work from home. And she likes it too.
I just want to know when I'm working.
Because I do have a life outside of work.
Don't tell me to keep my chin up.
Or to man up.
We don't want to feel bad about feeling bad.
How about a boss that actually trusts me?
Or a company that actually cares about me.
And our planet!
We're not asking for the world. Just what's right and fair.
Achos dyn ni'n gwybod taw dyna be dyn ni'n heiddi.
That's why I joined the union.
And me.
And me.
A fi,
And me.
Because when enough of us unite,
The more our employers must listen to us.
felly ymunwch â ni.
And together, we can make sure that all of our jobs
are good jobs.